been in NetSoft for the past year. From the training aspect, I've taken up to this point 10 different courses. I really enjoyed the training aspect because how they deliver the course, they didn't deliver it just by throwing information at you. They took your time with you. They gave you long hours even after classes to make sure you got the information, and they gave you in-class experience in terms of doing labs. From a trainer's aspect, the trainers at NetSoft I found very informational. They knew their information, they knew what they were doing, and they were trained professionally in the industry already. So you could tell right away from even stepping in the classroom, they came with the years of experience that they happily gave to you and allowed you to take in, and they were always open for questions. NetSoft also provided labs that you could do in-house or at home through online service. This allowed you to keep on track with the class and also get ahead if you wanted to. It came along with the book where it would provide you step-by-step processes to get through the labs. So it wasn't too difficult. As soon as you got the information, you were good to go. For personal development, this is probably the aspect that I enjoyed the most because they helped you through exercises and different team events. They helped you develop yourself in terms of confidence and how to handle yourself in different situations. I would definitely recommend NetSoft to anybody that would ask. I would recommend it by my aunt, so considering being recommended by a family member, there's definitely a reason for me to recommend someone else.